Mi gente, it's Louie the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man.
Out in Baldwin, New York, HVAC Papi and the crew were back on the job. At first, it looked like a simple service call. The customer had a Navien Combi boiler, and every time he pulled into his driveway, the vent pipe was blasting hot steam straight at his car window. Not exactly the welcome home anybody wants. So the request was straightforward. Raise the vent pipe higher so the exhaust vents up into the air instead of sideways. Simple fix. Extend the pipe, redirect the steam upward, problem solved. That was the plan. Once the vent pipe was extended, the customer had one more request. He told us that for the last few days, he'd been noticing a slight gas smell around the boiler. Nothing overwhelming, but enough to make him uncomfortable. And with gas, even a small smell is something you take seriously. So, before we wrapped up the vent job, HVAC Papi and the crew decided to take a closer look.
Llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a poner tu casa a enfriar cuando hace calor afuera.
We looked around the boiler, the connections, the fittings, just making sure everything was safe. Then we sprayed some leak detection liquid around the gas line joints. If there's a leak, that liquid will start forming little bubbles. Because with gas lines, you don't guess, you test. We found it. After checking every connection, we spotted a tiny leak on an elbow joint. Just a pin-sized leak, but the bubbles gave it away. Small problem, but with gas lines, even the smallest leak matters. With the leak identified and the rest of the system checking out okay, now it's time to get to work. Because once you find the problem, HVAC Papi makes sure it gets fixed the right way.
Llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a poner tu casa a enfriar cuando hace calor afuera. El aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
The good news is, nothing major had to be replaced. All the pipes were still solid. All we had to do was take the joint apart, apply the proper gas-rated sealant, and put everything back together the right way. Simple fix, but the kind of fix that keeps the whole system safe and tight.
Oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Louie, 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 Louie. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a poner tu casa a enfriar cuando hace calor afuera. El aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
It's Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep you cool all summer long.
Louie, 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 Lou. Louie, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Lou. Wepa! Esa casa está caliente. Estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie.
And that's another job done right. A small problem, caught early, fixed the proper way. That's how HVAC Papi and the team handle things out here on Long Island. Whether it's a boiler repair, a gas line issue, an AC system acting up, or something you just want checked before it turns into a bigger problem. Don't wait until things get worse. Call Louie, the HVAC Papi, serving Baldwin, the South Shore, and all across Long Island and the surrounding areas. Reliable service, real experience, and repairs done the right way the first time. Give HVAC Papi a call today, 516-377-5200, because when something in your home stops working, you want the Papi of HVAC on the job.
Mi gente, it's Louie the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa! I'm the Boiler Man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Oh yeah. I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man.